Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So this one is my Lego shotgun part 2. Because there's some details I forgot to add in the last video. And I'm going to build with you in this video. Adding some stuff. That's for sure. Okay, so let's get on to it right now. Here's my shotgun. Remember that. So then, I told you about whatever you, like, that I built 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. And this is an old Winchester shotgun shell and a poisonous one, whatever, filled with poison. So, I made 9, wait, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 9 Winchester bullets like these, and 1 round shot, regular shotgun nowadays bullets. So what I forgot to add is, you know, I remember, like, you put whatever 3 in the bottom there. Ooh, no! Okay, I'll do it with the square ones, they don't fall as easy. So I'm gonna put those in. I'm doing nothing, Mom. Can I borrow your credit card so I can buy more Lego? So then, let's go chick, chick, bang, chick, 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 bang, chick, chick, bang, chick, chick. So all 3 came out. What I forgot to add is I need 4 of these. And you guys are probably wondering what this was for. I put it on. I'm putting stuff on. And as you can see, it's this shotgun with the forearm. As you can see, the little aimer is totally covered, but it's an awesome. If you ever want to play outside or go just play with this, go shoot it around or something. And I'm going to have a word with my dad like in the last video I told you. Dang it! Oh, I should make falls out so easily. I should make whatever. Okay, it's not working right now. So, I'm just going to leave those alone, and I would put these in my pocket. My little baby cousin's birthday was today, turning 1, whatever, blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to build with you, like I said in the last video. Okay, so in this one, we're going to make, never mind, not a scope, but, little lever thingy, whatever, trigger. Let's get on. So today, my back, hurt my back a lot. So this is it's not raining anymore because today's the same day as I did part 1. So then, as you can see, this is all my Lego. Probably showing my hand. Okay, so this is all a big bin. I gotta get that out of here. Okay, put it back. So then go here, and we need to make some. What was it again? Oh yeah, a little chip. Okay, I'll see you back. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I did not mean to say I see you back. I meant to say I'll come back to you when I'll resume the video. Okay, peace. Guys, can't find any. Can't find any. I'm sorry. Okay, if you guys.